When you open your app and this option pops up, what would you choose? This is the iOS user privacy policy. When users choose not to allow tracking, it becomes very difficult for us to track real order data from the ads we run. That's why many sellers notice that, for example, Facebook Ads Manager shows 10 orders, GA Analysis shows 6 orders, but in reality, their store only received 2 actual orders. Such discrepancies in data really cause us significant difficulties when it comes to optimization. In this video, I will thoroughly help you solve your data tracking and feedback issues. With Attribuly, you can fully track every cross-channel order path, from ad click, landing page, adding to cart, all the way to placing an order. The entire journey can be reconstructed. Moreover, you're not just looking at ROAS, the return on ad spend. You can directly calculate the profit for each ad. This is something that most previous plugins and ad dashboards couldn't do. Feedback on the profit dimension is what truly allows you to optimize your ad campaigns based on whether you're actually making money, rather than just relying on superficial data for judgment. Attribuly's records aren't just simple clicks. They include more than 30 types of first-party data, such as email, phone number, address, IP, browser fingerprint, and so on. Each event signal is accurately transmitted back through a server-to-server method. The significance of these high-quality signals is that the ad system can quickly and precisely identify your target audience, resulting in higher learning efficiency and naturally better ad performance. This is what's known as the ultimate signal feedback solution. What's even more advanced is that it can integrate official first-party cookies with just one click. Even as privacy policies become increasingly strict, it can still continuously identify the same user for up to 360 days, that is, for a whole year. You can use these events to create audience segments, such as people who have visited your website, added items to their cart but didn't complete the purchase, or placed an order but haven't paid, and so on. You can accurately target these groups across platforms and then deliver targeted ads to them. You might not realize just how important this is. The machine learning behind ad systems actually relies heavily on the quality of the feedback you provide. The clearer the signals you send back, the better the system can find the next group of people who are truly likely to buy your product. So if your ads aren't performing well, a major reason could be that your tracking and feedback aren't accurate. The Attribuly plugin is like having a brand department and a dozen professional IT teams worth of work, all done by one person. So this episode might be a bit challenging, but I really want you to learn it, okay? That's all there is to it.